Holy mother of God. Holy mother of fucking God. Oh my God.
Wow.
Holy shit, these things are fucking gigantic. These go 1,400 feet per minute. God damn. Oh shit, here it goes. Oh, it only went down a couple floors. Mother of God, look at the size of these things.
Holy shit.
Dude, look how many fucking cables it's got. Oh, here it goes, here it goes. Holy shit. Dude. Look at this. Look at that governor go. Where that one goes. Wow. Holy shit. My God. TAC 50. Holy shit, look at that one go. My God. Dude. There's your brakes. Watch it clamp. There goes this one. There's your governor. God damn it. This is... Holy shit, dude. That's insane. Look. Hold my phone. Get me next to me. Get me next to me. Look at this. This is me. I'm 6'1". This is the elevator motor. Look, I'm 6'1". This phone is bigger than me. Holy shit, dude. Holy fuck.